Brittany and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're interested in healthy plant-based eating or personal development or just anything in between, stick around and subscribe because that's what this channel is all about. If you're wondering about the towel, those that know that I'm trying to put baby to sleep, so bear with this. So today we're trying tempeh for the first time. Those of you that don't know, a few videos ago I tried tofu for the first time and I liked it. So I thought let's try his cousin out and see if we like him or not. And well, basically tofu is made from soy milk that's like pressed together into a block, and tempeh is more of the soybeans that are fermented and then compressed into a block still. So I didn't know how to make this because I've never tried it before. So I was looking for ways on how to make it, and I found Pickup Lime's Nourish bowls, which I love Nourish bowls. So I was like, it's quite easy for me to try something that I already love, that I already do, with something that I don't know, so it's not too strange for me. So I'll link the video to Pickup Lime's recipe as well, so you can see what I'm trying to recreate, and then you can check that out if you want to. But yeah, let's get into the cooking today. So these are the ingredients I'm using for the marinade. I just replaced the miso paste with tamari and crushed garlic and ginger mixture instead of the fresh ones. I'm gonna start with 1.5 cups of orange juice, 1/4 cup of tahini, about 1.5 tablespoons of this mixture, 1 tablespoon of tamari instead of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and then mix them together. And then this is the tempeh. I got it from Vegan Street and I just put it in the deep freezer until today, where I defrosted it and I'm using it now. This is how it looks. So it's quite rubbery, but it's way firmer than the tofu. I just cut it up into small pieces. So what we're gonna do is put them in the marinade. Make sure they nicely soak in, and then I left them overnight to soak. So now the following day they're nicely soaked. I just separated the marinade because we're gonna use this for a dressing, and then I put cornstarch or maize flour on to coat them. So while I'm gonna start with the rice because it takes quite a while to cook, so I put the rice on the stove and I put some vegetable stock in just to flavor it. So because the stove is hot now, I can put my tempeh on the pan. Now I'm cutting up my ingredients, my veggies. So I'm warming up oil on the next pan while I flip the tempeh here. They're actually quite sticky. It's quite sticky, and I think I left them a bit too long because they're not as golden brown, they're kind of dark brown. So now I'm frying the mushrooms. chop the carrots and put them in with the mushrooms. And then now I'm putting cut up kale. I seasoned this with salt and pepper. So that's a next batch of the tempeh, the one that was left over because they couldn't all fit on the pan. And I tasted one and I didn't really like the flavoring. It's missing something. So I just decided to add more hot sauce to it. I also put some black pepper. So everything is done cooking and it's time to just assemble the bowl. I put a base of the rice and then the veggies and then the tempeh. Then I put some bell pepper on top with some cashews and sesame seeds. So I tasted it again and yeah, well, it wasn't sitting well with me, so I decided to put vegetable acha. The moment of truth. Let's see if we actually like it with everything put together. It's okay. It's not that bad as I initially tasted. So I'm handing it over to the expert to do the taste test and we'll see the moment of truth. First, I'm starting with the rice because he can be quite picky. So I wanted to see if he's willing to eat, and then if he's willing to eat, we'll give him a bit of the tempeh to see if he likes it or not. He seems to be liking the rice. Let's try the tofu. He doesn't seem to want to eat it. It took a while. But ultimately, he had a bite. He doesn't seem certain, but he's still eating it. Okay, he seems to like it. Usually by now he would have spat it out if he doesn't want it. I don't think he's sure about it, but he's still eating. He's doubtful. He doesn't want another bite. Okay, mommy, giving it another try. Yay! In this spoon, I put a mixture of everything, the kale, the rice, and the tempeh. But he later ended up splitting up the kale and just ate the rice and the tempeh. So I guess he likes tempeh. So there you have it. I'm not so really sure about tempeh. I like the texture, but the flavoring, I don't know. I just didn't sit well with me. I don't know if it's because of the marinade or it's because of the actual taste of tempeh. I'm not sure, but I don't know. It doesn't sit well with me. But you know what? The following day, I had it and it tasted much better. So I'm not sure if it tasted better because I had tasted it before and I knew what to expect, or it tasted better because it tasted better. So I'm not sure, but what I've decided to do is that I'm going to buy it again, try it again, but try it differently this time, flavor it differently, and play around with that and see. Because now the following day it tasted like, you see when you buy these chicken strips that are deep fried, it tasted like that, but obviously not exactly like that, but it tasted like that chicken strip deep fried vibes. And yeah, so it kind of worked, but I'm not so sure. I'm gonna try it again, and then I'll try it again with you guys, and then I'll tell you if I really like it, if I'm not for it. But yeah, stick around for that. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me how you cook your tempeh so that I can try that and maybe I like it, or if you like tempeh or not, or if you try this recipe or not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. Love you. Bye.